Hello guys, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make a copy of a Google Doc. Let's begin. First, open your Chrome browser, all right? And over here, this is going to be my Google Doc example. You just need to go to File on this section, click on it, and then select Make a Copy. Then you can easily name or rename this copy. You can go and select any folder in your G drive where you want this to be located. And you can select share it with the same people. And you should have more options in here if you have already modified this enough. So once done, you can just click on make a copy. Then it will open up a new tab showing the copy of this particular Google Doc. So this is the original, which is one, and the copy, a copy of the original Google Doc that we just did earlier. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.